Hello and good afternoon, everybody. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. I live in Narberth and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Now, today I've been playing and I'm going to make the quickest cards ever I've made, I think. Now, what I'm doing, I'm using all the new colours that we've had for this year or next year. Now, these colours go on for 2 years. And I've just been making a quick card, so I thought, let's do a few quick ones with you. Well, I've done 3 already, so I've only got these 2 left. So I'm doing this now just it's not at an angle, it's not straight, if you know what I mean. There. And then I've got a little, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you what stamp set I'm using. I'm using the Forever Blossom. I've been looking for a stamp set all week to do this video. I've been thinking about it and I haven't been able to find it. So out this came this morning and that's the one I'm going with. Then I'm going to do Little Sentiment, a Friend. Be careful when you're putting the small one. Using the small stamps because it is so easy to rock them like that. If you put it down and then rock it, what happens is any ink that you've got on the outside here, you know, from there, all of that ink would likely go onto your card as well, making it a horrible ruined card. Right, so I'm going to put that down. And what I'm slowly doing as well, to save some of my in colour paper, just check my feet, I'm going to put the faux matching. So make sure your hands are very, very clean when you do this. Mine, as you can imagine, aren't very clean because I'm a mucky little puppy. And here we are. Now don't worry if you've got a little bit going over like that, you know. Don't worry. It doesn't ruin the card. I'm going to leave that dry now and I'm going to put this away. I've done quite well actually today. I've not been too bad a mess. Right, now then I'm going to clean this off with my beautiful clean cloth. See, that was the original colour. Just nice and clean now. This sort of thing is also ideal if you want to do a batch of them. You can put it in your Stamparatus, put it in there, leave it, you know, just go through the same stamp, clean it off every time, and you can turn out quite a few, I would say, that doing it like that. I'm going to stamp this one now. I'm using the Soft Succulents this time. Don't squish it too much. Just make sure that it's all got contact with the cards. Put that back to wash. And oops, get my friend out. Now I made a bit of a messy mistake with that one, so I did put a bit too much on there, but here we go. I never stamp my sentiments straight. No, I do it on purpose. You do realise that, don't you? This is Wendy being on a purpose. Well, so everybody else does them straight, you see. So I think, Wendy, be different for a change. Right, so then here I have the, I got 3 there. Oh, miscounted, 1 to 5, and I miscount. I don't know. Right, so what this is, it's a piece of 4, cut in half, and scored and done half again. With a nice crease. Let's see, that's that good, can you see? But well, once it's on a card, you'll be able to see it, no problem. I'm going to get my very, very good Tombow glue. It's one that I've always got at my desk. You don't need a lot of it. You don't need that many, but that much. So it's just that's the way I ink my not ink, the glue on the back of my right. Just in case you or anything else has got dirty, you can risk the desk. I think. Put that over there. This one out. Well, it's been not a bad day today. It hasn't been rain. It hasn't rained. But at around 3:30 this morning, it did. It came down. Well, it didn't rain as such, but I could hear thunder. So that's that one. Now then, show you all the others I've made. That is done in the evening evergreen. This one is the pale papaya. Is it pale papaya? Oh, no, just papaya. No, it isn't. It's pale papaya. No, wait a minute. I got this wrong. Right. Evening evergreen, pale papaya, soft succulent. Then you've got polished pink and freesia. Yeah, freesia. So there we are. 5 cards to show the beautiful new colours we've got. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.